Welcome back to Hamburlung Studio, where creativity meets home design in ways that inspire and transform. Today, we're diving into a project that marries functionality with rustic charm, building your very own reclaimed wood plant stand. Imagine bringing the timeless beauty of rustic decorating into your home inside, turning ordinary corners into lush, eye-catching displays. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your journey, this project is designed to spark your imagination and elevate your living spaces with warmth and personality. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of selecting reclaimed wood, crafting your stand, and styling it with plants that breathe life into your interiors. You'll discover how simple touches can create a sense of cohesion, blending natural textures with the elegance of rustic design. From the living room to the kitchen, and even your garden, this plant stand is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a statement of style, sustainability, and creativity. So get ready to transform your home inside into a sanctuary of rustic charm, where every plant and every wooden beam tells a story. As we explore the design, construction, and decorating ideas, you'll see how versatile and timeless reclaimed wood can be. Make sure to stay until the end for tips that will help your decorating pop, and prepare to be inspired to create your own signature piece that blends style with purpose. Transform your living room with rustic charm. Welcome to the heart of your home, your living room. Imagine a space that feels both inviting and effortlessly stylish. Today, we're diving into how to create a rustic, reclaimed wood plant stand that doubles as a centerpiece for your living room. By using reclaimed wood, not only are you adding character with its natural textures and weathered charm, but you're also embracing a sustainable approach to decorating. Position your plant stand near your sofa or by the window to bring life and greenery into your space. This small addition can completely elevate your home inside, infusing warmth, personality, and that coveted rustic aesthetic. And here's a tip: mix different plant heights and pot textures to create depth and visual interest. Imagine a cascading fern paired with a small succulent. Your living room suddenly becomes a sanctuary that's both stylish and relaxing. If you love this DIY idea and want more ways to decorate your home inside with rustic charm, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this with friends who love transforming their spaces. Add rustic beauty to your kitchen space. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's where your home comes alive with energy, warmth, and aromas of delicious meals. But why not also make it a space that's visually captivating? Today, we're showing you how to build your reclaimed wood plant stand, perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Picture it on your countertop corner or against a wall, holding potted herbs like basil or rosemary. Not only will it brighten up your kitchen, but it will also make your culinary space feel more connected to nature and homey vibes. This DIY project is not just decorative, it's functional. You can grow fresh herbs, small veggies, or even flowers, making your kitchen as stylish as it is practical. With just a few tools, some reclaimed wood, and your creativity, your kitchen becomes a showcase of rustic, sustainable decorating. Don't forget, if you enjoy rustic decorating ideas and want more DIY inspiration to enhance your home inside, subscribe, like, and share this video to join our community of home design enthusiasts. Bring rustic elegance to your dining area. Your dining room is where memories are made, shared meals, conversations, and laughter. But it can also be a statement of your style. With a stylish reclaimed wood plant stand, you can introduce rustic elegance that complements your dining table and decor. Think of placing the stand in a corner with a tall leafy plant or a cluster of smaller plants for a layered, natural look. The beauty of this design lies in its simplicity. The rich textures of reclaimed wood paired with vibrant greenery instantly elevate the room. It's perfect for creating a home inside that feels both lived in and thoughtfully curated. Imagine your guests walking in and being greeted by a unique piece of rustic decor that not only looks beautiful but tells a story. If you're inspired by this idea and want more ways to enhance your dining area with rustic decorating, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join our growing community of DIY lovers and home enthusiasts. Transform your bathroom with rustic charm. Even the bathroom deserves attention when it comes to home inside decorating. A reclaimed wood plant stand can bring warmth and rustic charm to an often overlooked space. Imagine placing it near a bathtub with a few small potted plants or succulents, creating a mini indoor garden. The natural wood texture pairs beautifully with tiles and porcelain, instantly softening the space and making it feel more inviting. This DIY piece is a simple yet effective way to add personality and life to your bathroom, showing that rustic decorating isn't just for living rooms or kitchens, it's versatile and timeless. Each piece of reclaimed wood has its own history, giving your bathroom a unique, curated feel that's both stylish and eco-friendly. If you're loving these rustic decorating ideas and want to see more home inside DIY projects, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's create cozy, stylish homes together. Bring rustic charm to your garden. Step outside and let your garden bloom with creativity. A reclaimed wood plant stand is the perfect addition to your outdoor space, giving it a rustic, decorative flair that complements nature itself. Whether you place it on your patio, balcony, or under a shaded tree, this plant stand will elevate your greenery with style and practicality. The rustic textures of the wood combined with vibrant plants create a harmonious blend of natural elements that will make your garden feel like an extension of your home inside. You can even use multiple stands at different heights to create layers of plants, giving your garden an inviting and curated aesthetic. If you're excited to bring these rustic, DIY decorating ideas to life, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow gardening and decorating enthusiasts. Let's grow a community that loves beautiful, stylish homes. Thank you for joining us on this rustic journey at Hambalung Studio. Today, we explored how to build your own reclaimed wood plant stand, discovering tips and tricks to bring rustic decorating into every corner of your home inside. From selecting the perfect wood to arranging plants for maximum visual impact, this project proves that functional furniture can also be a centerpiece of style. If you loved these ideas and want to see more creative, DIY, and home inside inspiration, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends who are passionate about decorating. Join our growing community of makers and decorators, and let's continue transforming spaces together, one rustic project at a time.